Hey family, so long time no see. It's been on my part that you have not seen my face. I miss you guys so much. It has been a very trying and challenging 14 months, 15 months, I believe. Anything from COVID to being pregnant to having a baby during a pandemic, trying to clean my house out while pregnant, and then now the biggest news is we're moving. So, not to mention that my husband has been working out of state for the last 15 months. So with that being said, we are moving. I'm very excited that we are, because I get to be back with my husband and we all get to be a family again. So I'm very excited about that. I want to go ahead and put this out here now that I will be doing a lot of vlog style videos, and they will be really unscripted. So they're going to be real raw, nothing glitzy and glammy, just really getting down to the nitty gritty. You are going to hear a lot of noise in the background because I am doing this by myself with 2 kids. So with that being said, again, we are moving. I'm not going to say exactly where. If you want to take a stab at it and guess where we are moving to, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below. But I think as we get closer and closer to where we're going to move or be placed at, I will kind of reveal that. But right now we are in the beginning stages of the packing process. So let's kind of backtrack just a minute. Last year I started the process of decluttering and organizing some things around my house. And as I came further and further along in my pregnancy, things became really tough and challenging for me. So as a result, I had to put that down and have Danielle. And so now we are at the point where we are ready to move. And let me tell you, I'm going to have to clean out the clutter, get rid of, and pack all at the same time, which is what I did not want to have to do. But considering the circumstances, I have no other choice. So with that, I am going to start today. I want to say that this vlog is going to be over a course of 3 days. I will be vlogging, really not hit and miss, but I won't get everything. But you will get to see the process of everything leading up from me packing to everything in between. So from the time that we start today until we finally move everything, I will be vlogging. I want to do this for me more so for you guys, but really want to just kind of show our moving journey over the next couple of weeks. So I cannot say for sure when we will be completely out of this house, but I do need to start the process considering that my husband is working and I am here with the 2 kids. So with that, let's get started. I'm going to start in my bedroom, and the first thing that I want to tackle is going to be all of the clothes, the shoes, and the toys for my kids and for myself. I don't know about this closet, you guys. I'm still working on this closet. No, I have not finished no, I have not finished the mail. That's a whole nother story. So like I said, I have a ton of things to do. I have a ton of content. And so we're just going to get started. I apologize for the long introduction, but here we go. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Diane. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 and a married wife. I do a lot of videos on cleaning and organization, and I'm actually trying my hand at vlogging. So if these are the type of videos that you like, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and liking this video and other videos that are to come. morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I'm grateful, you guys, for yet another day. Any day on this side of the soil is going to be a great day. So, I have my little, what you call this, mom fuel. So let me just tell you guys, I rested yesterday. Yesterday was supposed to be day 2 of the whole moving process. That was not happening, okay? I'm so glad though that I did get some rest, because I didn't know how much rest I really needed until I took like 2.5 naps yesterday. So, but yes, I rested yesterday. I did not get as much stuff as I wanted to get accomplished on Friday. I am dealing with a 4-month, almost 5-month-old teething baby, and she was just really clingy, to say the least. So the only thing I was able to get accomplished was the clothes for my kids in their dresser drawers, which is fine, but we're gonna keep moving today. So right now we are getting ready to head into Target. And then when I get back home, then I'll kind of let you guys know what the 401 is going to be for today. So that's what we're doing right now. I love Target. And then I think we need to go to Kroger, my sister and I. So we'll see what happens. But that's my morning, you guys. And I'll check in with you guys in a minute. What you got?
What you got, Dick?
What you got?
What is that?
What is that? A shake? Can mommy have some? No? Mommy can't have any?
Fix your straw.
I got a little girl here.
There you go. Now go.
Knocked out.
Go ahead. Is it good?
So I am at Target. This is my favorite place, and I spend up all my money in Target. So we're here to pick up a few things. Since we're in the moving process, I might as well go ahead and try to see if I can find some containers. I was going to wait until I get to Walmart, but if they have a good sale here at Target for some containers, then I'm going to go ahead and pick them up. For me and the kids, I have my sister here with me. Thank the Lord. So I have a little bit of help. And then we're heading on back to the house. And then from there, I will kind of let you guys know what the next steps is going to be. But that's what we got going on right now. So I'm going to enjoy this Target experience. And I'll be back soon. Okay, so looking for containers. And I think, honestly, I may be better off going to Walmart. Oh, those are $5. These are $5. I may end up going with these. I'm sorry, baby girl. Sorry, baby girl. Hold on, okay? But I see these back here too, so I may. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I get everything situated and find out exactly what size containers I need, instead of trying to just buy it outright. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so now that we're back home from Target and from Kroger, I'm standing in the extra bedroom, which is the room that my sister used to have, and I'm gonna turn the camera around a little bit and let you guys know, well, not know, we'll kind of let you guys see what the room looks like. What we're going to take care of today is going to be really short and sweet, because I want to enjoy the rest of my Valentine's Day with my sister, and it's getting later in the afternoon, so I just kind of want to get it done. So let me turn this camera around so you can kind of see what I'm going to try to do this today. What I want to take care of is getting the, excuse my sister's stuff there, getting the hallway and the stairwell cleaned. Not cleaned, vacuumed. Guys, I can't even talk today. Vacuumed. Get the extra bedroom vacuumed out. So I'm just going to kind of move these boxes here and this stuff that's off the floor and kind of clean up a little bit here. And then vacuum in here, because I want to use this space as a staging area for the things that I'm going to take with me. And that stuff is all going to my sister's. So this is not my stuff here, but I'm gonna move all her stuff to one side of the room, and then I'll be able to use the other side of the room for the staging area. I want to clean up this area here, and kind of move that out of the way so I can vacuum. And then this is the kids' bedroom, you guys. I make no apologies for this looking the way that it is. Like I said, last year, things just kind of got under me and I just could not do it. So this is going to be kind of like the junk room, not the junk room, but this is going to be a staging area for all the junk that we're going to get rid of, because I need to call the people to come pick up the junk, and I kind of want things to be in a certain area so they can just come in and get it, and that'll be it. So that's what I got going on. Like I said, I am going to give myself probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2, because baby girl is asleep. And once that time is up, whatever I get done is whatever I get done. I'm not going to stress out. It's Sunday and I really want to enjoy my Valentine's Day, like I said before. So let's hop into it and see how much I can get accomplished. If not, then it's going to go into the new week. And it is what it is. So let's go.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and you're smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my...
Okay guys, so I am done for today. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I did not vacuum the hallway because I still have some things that I need to move out in the hallway, and yeah, I just think that it's better if I did not vacuum the hallway right now. So, but anyways, what I ended up doing was just putting going through the stuff as you saw, and there are some things that belong to my mom, so I kept them in the hallway. My sister's stuff is still outside the bathroom here, so I'm going to just leave it as is, and then once all that is taken care of, then I'll go ahead and vacuum the hallway. I did not get to do finish the kids clothes, but that's going to be in the next vlog starting tomorrow. So I'm very, very happy about coming back and doing the vlogs, because I just think that it's just so much easier for me. But I really want to take you guys on this journey with me, so I'm very, very excited about doing these next couple of weeks, and I just pray that you guys come along with me for the journey. You guys watch the videos, like the videos, comment, subscribe, like, do all of those things. I know that's going to help out my channel, but if you've made it this far, I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys, and until next time.